Ye. Me kai se me wa ha no. Ejumfuo kra no ma obi ayi ase kra me ko be se 3 ayi ase. Tespoa. Se wo dia on. Wa koda. Na se wa sorry. Na emoja edu mo fusani ya on. Akwasi broni fe bibi divine selection tienie. On se wo ko stadium ana se ye ne e football no. Prayers no mo ya mako 22. Nanso 22 no ni mbo a menye sure say team manager ni coach beti sika say e be faw. Nanso enye duru park ne so a utwi mu 10 nipa say 11 pe. Tienie. Sanna wetinye fufie aba tespo ha. Wo fro kura say abedu tespo ha. Mame papa e ma wa adwenya o say wo chen won na eno mo hye mo kire no. E divine selection na account. Tienie nie pa o. Eno na ya mota kasa adom sa samwe enu airport ete ya ne bufu ye no Paul ko Roman onu mo kasa bia nyene na yakum Yesu no nyena mo preach che se wode adom na aba John 1:17 Moses dem na ba Yesu de wode no kra ne adom eti Paul tu omufu bia adom we under the grace I want to Paul bufu ye no say Romans chapter 6 the verse 1 was say adom nti mo nko so anyimi yana mo mo kra no mo mo jamai wu da fia we a wu di wasa akogye aduro Ohuya mesere. Tielechenie, menim say me mfiri ha no enche bebre na abubefu. Ubufu a me mfa ho. Abu akusie wadane bom ma ho. Wada hodi. But the moment I be start boni janu asate pre. Me say enche bebre na abubefu. Asofu fo so e be di da be to mo ka akọ. Mon ka chen ka fo sa mabo. Masa babiom. Se COVID-19 e yefu ho. Afi no mo sa be ba po. They say they mean say mukwa kwa high and Roberts because mo macho men mo body guys na anya adwuma. Tielechenie. The gospel must go and the gospel is still going. We will use every means and ways to spread the gospel. Ahana mabe janya wa de say me be ka de be ode. Tielechenie pa o. Eno na oni opo kan wa Galatians chapter 1 verse 10. Wasehye. Nyankopon na me pese me twitwi nipa ma no. Anasa me pese me twitwi nipa ba me nchen. Se me ye nyame akoi, me da sumi so nipa ni dia me nyame akoa. E kan be pese me so moni anka me ba ka me botan. No ma Jimmy coach. Me mpa bo be sa ha ne ba bi atebu ishi. Me ba bo hye me moto be sa ha ne ba bi aka hurewe. Ene no be jana ka say praise the Lord obi abeje so. Because hye kreke timu kom, no hye coach e hyew, no hye mpa boa, no hye sabe ka wodam dia. Ohun so de nyame akoa. Me a me tinu afu am abogi safu de me nyame adoi. Enya sa mekai ye koye program on London ye wi na ba Nigeria o mo nsafre me ye koye program no me da ba bia me ko bia matali ani tielechenie pa ye se wura dem na o hye so sahifo me duru wa na aka chem se me nkote aka ma hye nipa no yesu mi obi a se me wura safuma me mpanim ho tena because yes Kristo ba no o se me anya ho se Pharisee for Matthew chapter 23 amuya mu akunya tetrete eno osofo eba TV so aso hene ewiase hene no eduana ba na mba udi akoro yani ahini ni asaso wesu afei ye wure ha no makama kwese kire no meti hodi menamfofo eno mokoye dani o UK sesiye ana ya friend say madamfo ba ko bright o hemi sesiye life omodi ama omo hasi because wa win maboche life tai ni coach ni awuru kakrak ya kakraka bi ni ehyem e wana me kotena ase ya yo program obi ane ne time we kasa wie no okọ afi duru me so ye bo mi de obi ani mi se bia papa ba ko bi oto na e be sorry e wana me sorry free nipa nim ensembo ne na ateko ensembo na ateko me so ma kiyuma na me bo mpaye sa hon konkron wan kasa be fa me kasa tielechenie pa o mini ejini afede wan mo ne nsam do obo ne nsam 24/7 obi ajare na so ye po wi a asafo am say hwan wo mumi a me so me mu what number do you want from me I don't have any number ye po wi no obi a pesu obehu me mini ejini yani you dealing with what is in us me yana me mfa obi appearance in judge no And we are seeing also can kind of book of 1 Corinthians chapter 11 verse 14. Was this a bone some about one China? This Satan or them pastors, this awkward pastors, this malam, and yes, a quote no. Bible says one more bomb one China. Or when you must have before. What kind of best attackally? Huh? What kind of a crab dear? And I want just on the snap and a baba son them all. Oh, Crababo, Tenetania was sent a suit. Mina Jenny, now I can say, where do I Namiaqua? Mina Jenny, I give a come a person to my Jesus in you. We are living in the last days. And more being you want to free and coupon some suit. Yaman Pie. Now, Yansha and Comanasi. Why we should have been to Mentome or the Menso being to Mishra? Ubo were to be called wash and answer so sorry. The gospel must go. The gospel must go. The gospel is still going. Why we slow been to Mentome or the Meso been to Mishra? Ubo want to be called wash and answer so sorry. Oh, sorry, I want cut as fast as he so Osaka or him. What shall a boss of baby name or woman is so Guama or Babani Sarinadi? Why would you Bonnie, Nancy Bonnier Drew? A brass so Cassachere. Committee 18 for any test before you know. Me a nipa, who jam ya make a nipa pe. A church of 4 penny home concrete more quaba. Yes, Christo Cono John 14, uno de jao. Open and you pay you. Wait, and I'm still on brush him. Oh, in a junk. Yes, Christo, Nazareth, Nidi Muntino. Amen. A radin slow. As an eden son of water bread. Na menumi enu ye beka Nyankopon asem mesra me ma mudi da se on book na wo de twere mo de oka wo mu no bo modi asa wo de bebe on me de bia ba bia megina bia me ta aka se asem e fi me mu aba ne me anyini tienie me metuo me nyi obi eni wasase we so me nyi obi eni e wasase we so because Micah chapter 7 the verse 5 Bible so oba kro oda okukum no oba woni no da sore kwa menwe ma no na se me yira sabe ohuma deja menenda kata so sore no se me wi ma no na wo ena akan fo se wo ye ntene kwa kwa yedai wa yiram enti me anyimi ni me ye nipa adani wo mimu etu kenka Acts chapter 17 the verse 11 Junior Paul ebo Thessalonica fo na baso Teleteni obo Juda fo na baso wase hwe Juda fo no mo ntise Thessalonica fo no omo de so bi ba test for market no preach a o beti asem ni nyina quotation beba ensem beba o beti ni nyina no omo tienya so mo tienya keko no omo twere omo kofia no kwa twere kunkurum se etesa na da banta no so fu beti na preach ya a wo ye wa je se me kofia no me ko se asem no so fu ne kan ya no etesa the money I receive amen ye beka bia amen ya gie di ubedi di enie. And the Christopher about teacher and Kaha, we lazy. Moon Padisio. Everything Kaha, and then is when you pray for me. I'm sorry. Why would you and our test bar? Or back sorry at 10 years. Now, warrior, what would it wash him or tell our warrior in our walk? Walk on to Uber Juba said giant top. Mematia, yes, a test for say, your friends say, then champ Cassia Bidaha. And it's a multi jam called Mojare Papa. Then Chambana, here to Jatabun, another Jatana. What was a seal, Mamma Cofa Pure Town, and Sawaha. When you want also now about 4 to me. Chelitini. You have fit no man, what's your number? Sorry, and no man of 1 John chapter 4. The best one said, your team when I saw the other. Then Chamusuna be preaching. Then Chamna Daha, a Timuma Medito Ha Mosamano, then Chamusuna Mijano.
Ensuo be aboɔden. Ensuo ebe aboɔden. Mibusa ensuo ebe aboɔden. Obi tim ufi anim. Ensuo to abɔ ne tim yetim. Satra wa twen. Ta konkonsa no, jampa tue no. Na sa be tete dwa yento a. Wontimi no ma so ka hire. Ara mun kenkan Bible no. Proverbs chapter 10 the verse 24. Proverbs chapter 10 verse 24. Bible say, "Otini ni ade a wakoma pɛ no, won sabeka. Otiboye ni, maami a wo teacher, a wo ba po, maami a wo teacher a wo ye penfo, maami a wo teacher wo twempra wo fa kunachi, maami a wo teacher wo ba sawo, Awurade se menka cho se ade a wo suro no, ebeba wo so." Proverbs chapter 10 verse 24. Shatra wa twen, Yanyankopɔn apɛdeɛ, suro Awurade, tenukura, transasu esu ne papa. Wo bo bra se de opa bia no de abɛhyɛ Tesco Park, se den nkyɛm bi wɔ ha. Kraman na wɔ ha. Chini. Awie pem ne wo no. Ha minim se asafofo bebre baba. Minim se asafo itimifo bi na abegyina keka san kwase asɛm no. Because one kasa amount to collection. Mo pa che se de maami mu ti hai. Se Kanyankopɔn mu na mo se se mu ye difo. Me se Ghana ho difo ni ho. Me ka se difo ni ho. Ba mi an ka se ya wo mi pepe ebedu pempenso yi. Me wo difo Ghana ha. Akonfoi. Malamfoi. Fetish priest foi. Wo da fa Bible no na me beti asema me kana se. Me ni se ma sa ban kan enche ye be start asoma your body guys. Na wo your body guys so ha. Chele. Me ni se wi asafa na nyina achie me. Se ma bua me ho nenam. Wo ba ha. Wo ye metwo man. Ni ma fo betwom boys ye soma mo. Body guys ye soma no. Wo ba ye on sama sie wo fie. Wo ba tie ni wo watale asema no. Me se sa wo ba ye on sama sie wo fie. Because wo me come ma won kɔ. Chele. Eti sa wo hia me abobo ho. Me ti ade afa ne hu nyame ama me bi. Because can 2 Timothy chapter 1 verse 2. Was he a Nyankopɔn ya so wa me honhom. Ade me so ese me bɔne asa. Etu titu a wa bri ni kuro. Wo twe sekan a wa bri ni kuro. Wo tambo a wa bri ni kuro. Chele. Ebro so se ya sɔre. Na your body wuro no. Ha! Wa wo kɔ asɔre. Pentecost for mu tie me. Methodist for mu tie me. Roman for SDA for mo de adanya me baba no be pray from rough. Shakira igra. Shani pan pipi me ko semu. And I'm also Sofia big radio so, wa big TV so, na ni anche, me wa cast, me we say, me cast me acho. Wo so ye nyame akoa. Be pempensu wi asire tu no ahoto ni ho. Wo be na woni age. Wo be tai ene woni age. Se nka me wo mi kroma. By this time ka me poultry farm me manage. Me nyuma me jagu ho. Na so woni ani kire, woni ahoto. Adam me chima ho me adam me ka me nsagu me bo. Na so mu so ko pastors. Yetimi nya time class e ko apocha ko di holiday. Edua no ba ena mba hu dua kro. Muni pempe so wi asina duru. We are living in the last days. Daniel chapter 2 1 to 49. Wahi Nebukadnezar daya no ye ohoni na ase. Ma munim no ye ohoni na ase. Mini anka mo fo fa Bible no. Fa Bible no Quran 174. E kasafa sa prophecy we ho. Nebukadnezar so oson dae. Oson dae ohuhonini. Ye kasa ohoni na statue. Honi na ni tie gold. Nebu say silver. From the chest to the waist bronze. From the waist to the ankle and upon iron. Bible so honi na ase no. Dade ene dotie ene edi afra. Wahi Nebukadnezar say, wogusu hwe honi no, eboa kitikiti bi, ebebo honi na ase, na honi ni bubui. Na from akasia, ebo honi ni adai, efri ho, na eboa kitikiti no, edendem fa asase wesu nyina. Mini osofa na wi a wo hwe me. Mini Kristo ne na ewu tie me. Ade ba ko wari sebe nka cho sa, honi na ase kire nie, dae na ase kire nie. Honi jama ahini e beba. Akosi doni beka se kingdoms. Ana empire. Hwe Nitina ye gold no, ejrama Babylon hinie. Babylon hinie, ahimfumie na di so. Nebukadnezar besasha omoko. Nebu say no, Bible say silver. Silver ni drama Medo-Persia, Median and Persia, ahemfo di so me pa chenete nie pa o ahemfo mienu di so chenete ne Darius and Cyrus chenete from the chest to the waist Bible say a bronze region of Greece empire Greece ahini obi ni ne ba ne di so Emperor Philip on ne ba Alexander the Great and omoko from the west the finisisi ebeka ne na pon no Bible say iron ni choma Roma ahini me pa cho Caesar Nero Constantine and omoko chenete honini na se no ne nanso ani to no Bible say dade any dotie clay and metal akwasi broni fe ne 10 divided Europe ha woso wonyi nyankopon ni a even the historian ebetra osade we the 80s ejesa history ready it is for me papa ma mu diga mini amamo mini amrantiamo sa wo so futi asonda nu odi agura and already some catch us say we are living in the last days honini nanse no ene ewo hwame Babylon hinioko Medo-Persia hinioko Greece hinioko Roma hinioko we are in the 10 divided Europe what is so so wonyini a Babylon hinie ne nipa ba ko na di wi asesu nyina Nebuchadnezzar wa ya so de na no fa se be sa sha be fa he etian kanetete no na enipa ba ko na ye president the whole world ba prophecy ni kire se honini nanse no ni toast no dade ene de dotie clay metal open say see ma me fa clay na me fa metal na me fa mlo say ma me fa clay ni metal no fa fra ma me pa chobe wo pa no toto yam clay be jani baby na metal so ere e jani baby asikire ni honi na se no yenye ni po be di wi asisu nyina ena Ghana your president Nigeria ere e won de London for omo de US for omo de when they just say Bible it will be the only true book on this earth Quran barabai Matna ijazongo ma me papa 15 good years I read the Quran even more than the Bible I don't know if you Quran 79 who can kind of verse 7 was so when you read the Quran and you do not understand refer to the people's book the book which is the book the Bible Papa, if your pastor can't change you, change your pastor. If your church can't change you, change your church. On the judgment day, a gentleman and not any matter. Your pastor don't know you, your mother don't know you. And look at Philippians chapter 1 verse 22. No, cause the mofa osro, any hopopo, any mon quite your wojuma. Use fear and trembling to work out your own, because judgment is an individual. Me and me jai. Me ko buna na tema no me ba edo sa time me nkampo se me ware tiri eti sa ofo nkan kire ene eye wo be bio TV wo be bio radio hwense me koso akwankyere this week 10 ways of breaking through come for your miracle testimony garo operation take nonsense yo woni na say and na so for preach it say the Babylon hinim Babylon hinioko, Medo-Persia hinioko, Greece hinioko, Roma hinioko. You were the 10 divided Europe. Nenase, you can't born. What can the book of Daniel? The same Daniel chapter 1. Who do the verse 42 now? Was it a buono? A Jama Christ. Now Daniel 7:25 to say, I say Onipa baby. Or no, you sue Onipa baby. Was it a buono be bo honina say? Many Christian would tell me. And Crafly community for Yesu Christo obo. Mele de bia metaka say Yesu ameto a obewu akoto ano. Ye preach say obi jira oh brother ma menyene. Most start preach say we are say be say. Na fe ni awo me. E we are say be na say. Me pa cho say Yesu ama wo mo beto ano. Acts chapter 3 17 to 19. Paul mo start preaching e Peter mo. And a Peter away. Do no preaching away. Omo mu chi no mo way. Who ya now call Hebrews chapter 9 verse 27. Was it a chaso nipa wu prokopa who when a chukwa ko dija. Why? Who when a chukwa ko dija. Eti ka tell me say atia bre. Mo ka say wi ase be say no. E wi ase be say ha emrante enkramrante no enketese kono mu ya mebufu. Wa be to so preacher on. Ono na agye say o afin manya me 30 years. after 20 years. Oh, there's small time for me. It was born in Brazil. Mammy can say, what can kind the book of what you call Job? Job chapter 23. The verse 12. Was who who are dimping? Obi-Wan who are dimping as well. Abraham what tunnel? Or do obey? Chinatani, what the air condition? Ni fear air condition. A foot or do foot or whom be that. Every week be a check up. And say no cop. Etikata me say, me de minyanya 90 years, minyanya 70 years. No poor person do pebia. And I dear kumen kind, and ranching Ketesia aya koshi. The Pacho interpretation, mammy. Mammy, and idiom. 1 Timothy chapter 5 verse 6. 1 Timothy chapter 5 verse 6. Bible said you are about koshi, where you tears you. Akoshibra, ya night club, and your boss, Madame Fubisi, or your engagement, ya kwaji. And Kaudaba confirm duty. Hey, Bebrena market on me at Yasu. Tamana market ruins a busamo. And always a man about the poster from Gateway. Who preaching? No more Tony here. And our Dublin will be a Bajano. Double Cacao Coposum, so what are wrong? Huh? Who got to independent to know? Oberton so in your beings. Will be Jawadian Tasori Crown Kobe. Was Sayan Match, Empire Crown Mobile. Mammy Casamin test before. Member Muti Jamuche. What's your when are you? When are you? And I'm a better John way and Nimija, and one slab of Hosaya. Kakan so I don't know what the number 20 for some Epa Panche Betty Jimmy what Jimmy. Chinny, what's the no Papa Crown Mobile? Now, what you say? Passport said the moon test percent and test put here. Can fish chapter 6 just storm. What's it? Near no one more than I. If you want to for penny dear, need to me dear. Chinny, and it's a me too. We so Adentra. As I see you soon. Nami Krakanibi. It is someone on me Patrochinity. Psalm 119. The verse Psalm 105. Psalm 119. The verse 105. Was it the word of God is a light unto my feet and a light unto my path? Mammy, the Patrochin training here. And Kojo oil. And a petty table so we are. And Kodesta. Bullamuso. Kodiokosia. The Tuaboba. Me Patrochin training here. What's sorry no pa, mammy? Open to my bed. Obi Baha and a jotwo. Obi Subaha, na Kobotan. Omuna to Adiabako. Do Amunya time, a year no quiet time. I can the Bible. Fear, and San Hobano. Me Pacha. What was San Yana? A man for Begino, I don't want a year. Omupe Jane Adaka is here. When you're 2 minutes. Who saw no part 12? What a sort of one city grand toy. Bonsam Naniate, and Sala Bonsam Benyano. What they catch you watching a finger missile. Chini, she sent it you. Answer a brow Quadano. No, Abba, or light bay, or water bay, or money school fees. Answer in Chacana rent Nassau. It's all Quadano. What they can't decide where they I shall with him. Me Pachotier, and son of Bonsam Betty Bibi. A real two for to me dear penny dear. This or more a chawning uncle pie uncle fam. So winning uncle pie uncle fa, our uncle fa. Minia Ubenuma to Bonnet and Yoshi. Ubetia one young channel so or Muntimin Yoshi. It's a bon something sideway. It's in any say, okay, any pay. Just a median car cut it on any uncle pon iron cofano. A quite best no back cut it on any uncle iron cofano. Oh, Quadano, no, I catch now, or light bay. Water bay, and Chacovinant in the floor, money baby your school. As I count 2 months, now or rent national. One you don't want, you bet two. It's wood down. Whoop Prince, I didn't say Prana won't mean of you. It's the Baba and say, and my minion, Namenko Kanta, Minko, your first a Kaneshi, Minko Phenomenon, because in Crassi from the Bantam, and this way, a bassa open tem. It's Empire Crown Day, Umobi, Empire Wamo, Bible Nabakenka. Pa, it would encourage you winning young Kupa Yonko Fano. Bra, no young Sabrina, Mammy, Monday Obaba Market, Yanto, Tuesday Obaba, Wednesday Obaba, Thursday Obaba, Sikanu winning. Say so, Maunia Sikano within Satamana.
ma me Sunday obekwa sorry ana me nda obekwa sorry etunim eduru Sunday no aka kiro woni bi enti akọ ya ntojo enoma no sister ama ono ko Methodist enoma sister jo ko Pentecost eti Sunday na we yesu as we day of worship no we go say Sunday na say etimia me pacho Sunday wo me ye duja uche Adam Lucifer Luke chapter 5 Luke chapter 4 the verse 5 to 8 ebra yes kiso ya fast we no Bible say bon sam kon nchen ekoyi wi asa hinye to say sa wo koto sore na me de badai wo waja quiet time waja mpaibo waja sore sika be bu so eti Sunday no oba ye be do twa papa eti free week ni kono Sunday na eyo day of worship and now Saturday na eyo day of worship no ebe yo market day na wo normal days no so wo dey devotion no eno so ebe boost to market day no eti free Saturday no kono oba ye be do twa Nyankopon so ye so wise to the state say obam wanye sika no so so di betual pay meboa wo so dey there wo dey share rent wo ba bobo ye container sika no ba no and Deuteronomy chapter 12 verse 6 waso di ni suo be adwuma no man frani bia dai abedi ni kwa obi a wo ye wo adwen say light benchi water benchi rent nti enu chon kwa sore o mo mpaye o nkenka twa konkro no sika no ba no abetia so ba no oda school na yare no container sika no ko he yare wo de fanya media agro wo po bi ani timo suma nya bonsam tieni bonsam ko tutum se nyami etumo sum sene no ena po bi a wo odomu muruso a enya bonsam Nyankopon Deuteronomy chapter 30 verse 1 wase me de papa ne bone enkwa no owuo enhyira enye se nyame ne mpo bone na gutuo the choice is in your hand. Now me call house to house evangelism house to house etimi twamuno na ma bi yitre tieni pa o emso wase waka common sense family ho oya common sense ni ondo munyini sanyami bi ho ena mai ba ko tieni pa o wase onyini sanyami bi ho eti de oyi ni ti no eni ni debate sanyami ho ena o ka nyami bi ani ho eti mi jrosa na na emetese papa na no onu oyi ni ti na wono challenge sanyami ho no na wonya bibia mbake enkyere sanyami ho asam na hyeme so afa evangelist na me kokwa na asam anu etimi yedi woyi papa ne sori na ana me kwa na me chia no we mi trimi ahwe ma boje se ana ka cha papa se me pa cho sori mse da bi mi nyimi chi wonim se ana me ka cha se wo se da nyame bi ani ho Mr. Baba bi ani asase we so wase adan me se baba bi ani asase we so wase adan ana me se baba wa anka mi trimi aye se wase sanya wana waye wadi se unkoyi me so wayi ho no wonim de no wajira so kasa nyame bi ani ho wase ka nyame wo ha ka de na ebonsam wasase we so no ha nyame ma adenti na komtimi di obi adenti na nipa wuo adenti na nipa yare ade no de debate no se nyame wo ha ena kwa nipa ho kire no nyame bi wo ha ena ka ebi da kom ebi da bonten etimi so bi duro no mi so ka cho se baba bi ani asase we so wasema sa aboa na me kwasa me baba me so aboa baba bi ani ho ena obusa sa dem se baba no do no se nyame bi ani ho ka chem se asa wo ma se enyu ena me so so nkohwa nyame e kira kwan wo jiro hwe bi di man kasa biem ena me tutune he na menim se asama me kan no wo betu ho se nyame bi adan e wo ho chini wan na atwani akoto Nyankopon a waye ne twetwene wonya misumi ba kusi wiase ba kusi asonda ba kusi bia ba no wo be no Nyankopon ni monyam eti me answer de man no se baba bia ni asase we so ono so answer de man se baba ni ho aka mi yi obi ti se wo se nyame bia ni ho because nyame wo ade tina o mebi mu ho kire omo ade tina o mebi mu yare ade tina nyame bia ni ho bisu duru am se ne baba bia ni asase we so no se adam se baba wan ka mitimi afu efi wa se se wo de wonya waje so be yuti na me so wonya waje so be hwanyame no ka wo hwe na ka be dai wo be hu no afa me kwa mo anyina ha abranche ofre hen ofre me afu obi na hwim minia ade ba kwa me pese me twem adwe edi susuni awie brem ne wo no
we are living in the last days. Adia kum emrancheni ketesia eya koshie. Shabon samon efi abode ehwase eno hu se nipa your weakness ni yakono. Etuni what the akoshibra eno me efe eno me ete eno odi hwe nipa. Mejiri se do be na kenkan the book of Genesis chapter 2 ayana obuo fu if sente dia ba bebrebe nyina ti if wa nya bia se de asimani ayana obufu eti bonseme ehu se enipa hwe de wa den ewaniwa eti ade odi benya mrantie ene mabawa ede yakosemu eyakohwie eti 1 Timothy chapter 5 verse 6 no Bible say the oba akohwie no wa ye de tiasiewuo opa akohwibra ene de mehu ase Nigeria for no ema na minim se omututu ye friend say kiosk ni bi no mafiri ha me ba de na nya kura obi fa okwaso de pant men nam textbook ha e dona twa no nam fam straight to Kotobabi. Last time I call your friend say don't broadcasting me ko no your friend say mo fra ahosewo Kotobabi run isi abush road o na me ko start by ti me ba me through bakery so Eco Bank no boy ni person of fag no kem gan ni chiechiem obi ansu ni ho ahomachi be sa phone no am so aka gan ni fi o fa no kem private car a branch in Nigeria ni and again no see Ghana ni afu no otiem so obimra and a branch so akeka yesim eti dia memete also wa yire ni busa ntine na nan no otimi de pem won ti de na ere eba no na mo won ti se obi na ere pempem ko bo na timan mene eti wode ne nan na pempem eti mi hwede ekosuo ma ade aba mitima ase di kwa akora bi na ya jade wom na ere pempem chemi mi duru ho no ana mi ti se de ere ekosuo ho te ho na mi so mi ni mi nsa ji se po ma kase me sa pam ono obi pro no ogawa zamatam so wo yare samu kwasia bro no mo boni Nigeria ho no mame me ko Nigeria last year within BSM say before November no you call out of 36 states no me call 12 states me call Anambra me call Enugu state me call Abuja me call Lagos me call Boko state me eluti na Nigeria for ba omo fa boganye soan no chiritini na wona obetu soja ni kra chapa mu oga pa make pack you know go pay back amre nya tuma Ghana ha obi timi de your friend say boys say omo Philip Portos na no mo say pacha driver ma miska Nigeria ni minia ya tika ma ya kodo no omo Philip Portos na no ato ayi wode aba ato ya barrier won tua won twam won na be stop no eto omo ba na ato omo ri chibi chiritini wo po ma ba kwa yemu ni pa Nigeria ono onya te se won kan kasa wo ye na enemy ye ko Boko state ade omo me kasa me so nyame ahira me wo be fia be kasa me Hausa ni na me omo di chiremu ya show me to obi aba no okonechi me nkatwi me nkabrofo so na yode omo be tu kan ha na to omo no kwasiasem ma me nkasa che sikafo a nyame atom nsam a motimi asisi dan and omo sidan na we ya Ghana ni na akwa ha ya mfa ma because we no 1000 your friend say 2000 3000 Ghana situa no nya wano saka wa boy no fraud boy no wa bana sikani ka che say flat no wa de be ma no 5000 ono antimi ka che say me ma 7000 what the hell boys no edu wanya tuma bia wadaka sakasiem wanya betra fie sekim like be wunchia bi water be fie wuro hwan yo obi antua bi omo hyedem na nkwasiasem ma me nka se mi cheskafo a modemo da masa me ka se Nigeria fo nya na enye ebinye Ghana fo binye sansu Nigeria fo ni binye ya wa Nigeria fo mranti omo Ghana ha ma me omo bro moja ni papa ebi suro nya me papa Nigeria ni osom nya me no onti Ghana ni ntimi fa no ntoto no Africa, the nicest and beautiful and greatest faith is Nigerian. Nigerian also assume yameno. Mame, Ghana ni pie no obeti mo watoto no. Omu kura that supernatural faith. Tieni, me nka se Nigeria fo nyina. Na so me twuma dwe de si bibi so. E bia wo de ye sikani. Wa dwe se Nigeria ni betra me fia. One, menye sika because your friends say rent no. O tia more than that. O tia me like bay. Mame papa, mame ka se bi nchiro. Onu ye fraud no. Onu ye sakawa no. Hwe, woni ne nyina matemu ye baako. We can count Romans chapter 1 verse 32. Romans chapter 1, the verse 32. Bible said there were bonne. Any do bois, Emma bonne near day. Eba son market here banco. Of course, will be a biaba. One and son onimum. Nabush and Ibian onimum. By another money shika. And now by Ghana business a door. Any lotto kiosk. And I won't cover as a tray. You cry on two numbers a tray, nebisio. Because in this cow will be no ton sabocada. Jiddy wa Jimmy. And I do a probro. And no bossa no butcher. It me and the sana, uraha, no butcher. Cheneche Yopa. Bible say, Jawaya bonnet. And I do a bois, Emma bonnet basono. Market your bako. Of course, will be a courier phone. Now open phone at all. One who sell phone shop in the way. Kwana koto koji receipt wo koya ade afo ubewu akomo nsam ka fa bokro no tieni mese sansa mi say osofo nkan kira wota wa kira ko sandama terrors of break do mo start ya na akwase ko school no your first timetable salawa we say you read English yes maths from maths social studies and now we run sandama open prayer after open prayer mama papa your friends say praise and worship. Yes, Sam, your who teach you and the teachings a freaky susumu. Shaminias of Mamika Semincho. Union Christo ni kwajo for Mamika Semincho. Yes, Christo catch a Matthew chapter 28. The verse 18 to 20 no. Was he a good yourself and then Yankaka Sampanicha body now? Do you beg your Yamonesu? Nian Chira one. Tell you, it is a Unya Copeja on another. Me fire to say me can my jenkwa. Na ye bohu asu. Ewo ensu a etrima. Me pacho de aka de en church and your praises and worship. Gospel and sorry awa. Emu sa na en church. Jono ye church no 30 minutes. Mo yare on. 30 minutes. No the prayers I praise and worship. I want entire full. Yebe so Ketese be kira sonde mena bunimu ti se one night camp. Mo sunu mo wi ana ebo mu no. Etana obi be ko asori a, o ra sonde ma de a wa check nie. Plastic chairs. Ya to ties. Instrument no set. Dom se no. Eno Kristo ni ra sonde. Enipa be se 23, enipa be 92. Plastic chairs. Your friends say cement enya tas. Instrument no ba ko pe. Organ no kra bone hene. Osofo wie no I can today those who came to visit us, please come out so that we welcome you, whether you want to worship with us or you just came to pay a visit. Ebasa mami papa, and I'm saying the pollution, walk up grand, Nanimu Grand Shankran. Also, come boti. 1 year Basumi, and now Besrai, or so for Kwanusi, or some patch on Besram. But the same person, one we are sorry for from, any bears 1,000. Plastic private car, a Samsosa instrument, a business ceiling. Fine, I can be a business. The moment you have a post of Becca say, hello, Miss Ramana, Mobesrano, Momra Monimna, Yamama Quaba. Or some of us are 1 year Basumi and Abesrano. Now, Lucy, one more sofa cranny and introduction, or some patch of number swimming. Because her crowd now. When you're here, na you to Mubedu. Walk to the bed here, some men near your budget and scaffold in Mubedu. And I'm out for what solely say, your friends a cool. Chini, a cool. May call so yes, scaffold. Now, me watch me, Yabuami, what shall papa? May I be a metal catch a million of Christopher said, enye wa wi enti na Yesu mewu yo enye wo sika enti tienie enye wo hunya enti Yesu mewu ye ne aware Yesu masaso is not the four Paul kwanti na Yesu mewu ye eti wo kwa asore obotan ne se me kwa asore no me pa asore e domwom se bia menye yi a omo nsa abode no bedu se bia me koto me bedin a samara ne yi na bedoso me ye aye first engagement a envelope no bedoso woni busumsum ni muda the same skill chenetini etimini ejini aje rade se men kanchira despofo tutu yenuanu maya eni ketesia se ade a ekum eya kohie eba sa abrewa a wutifie wo no ho amane wo de ma fie bi branche wanya 18 years 25 enwo maami ono wutifie wo suro nyame wode nyame suro fi ni kwala bremu anyina nyame amana dini mfie wasase we so no ni yakobo ne bayie osofu so wo suro rade bayie na se a me rest in sumu yase na me rest in sumu yase no ma hu se kwadwo na woda ho no makopie eduakasie bi na eduakasie an se onyina no na ma hu se atwitwa kwadwo nam e de aguda ase bi mu no aka ne nkwase aseton so so bayie kase o saka maha Jesus kwadwo nam na ben kan me nko adia e ka metimi asa bompa mo aba abusiafo kwadwo onye ye bi mumu so sofu na me pa chotio mumu so sofu na wose benfo na kum kwadwo ya twetwe kwadwo nam wo hu se ya noa e wo bia kase bia se he me pa cho mumu sasa akwahiwe bible me achi asese onipa wu a dotie we be kodotie because frasa so we so okra na etu mu na me fro onipa no eno so ko fesi atemu kwadwo tie ase eno akwaye bobo wo fie fom wo hye fom na ne mawurafu efi kura shisha ne mawuram na ye tare ne kura ededa ne efi ndaso kwadwo bodi ne dawe okra na efi ne ma wada ne efunu no okra ne su ko fesi judgment mini adifo enam bia na benfo ne we no hello me pa next week me ba mo nkyere me namkoro wonim waka we di hu wura mu wi a afai no acha 1 month ebushanta ma ho preaching yo ospire o hu di o sika wo wo anu afre mame nyame kasa kire me papa nyame kasa kire me ada ka me na me bae abram wo faase ni wuye na me bae no me na mbebo mpa no me hu se yamantam ha edi ka wadi hu awura ebushafo ni mu hwa mame kasa bi nkyerem we na enkranfo bebre ni so pese wo sisi obi a ho ti so ma hu yehu mo we enkradifo aba ono obeka cha se me mitimi dane me ho bofo mitimi dane hu wei wo ma no yehu kese se o metime sisi wa je se me hu yehu ma me hu anya hu a me ka bibia hu ntie cheni eto mu din ka de hu ye dai ewura mo eto oba ye na se no wa mama ti ase se ye twetwa kodo nam e de akwa e de anoa e wa yi bi ase eto already mu nyina hu e dai abomo eti na se obeba se duru so no ma me sabi monima who discover or pant ko be wura koton e de abre no cheni also Hosea chapter 4 verse 6 was a lack of knowledge my people what nimje we munim eti na edi my slave what Yesu di what for Yesu say o kan no achenkwa and so still this was of bomb pemo he for na what say Peter eko Matthew so bomb pemo James Jude Bartholomew Thomas Cheni Christopher and Christopher committee 18 passport for Christopher na ye slaves ne ba yare no hu osofo agese ne banu me ba chaw ba bia atu no ye besua de next week say Christo ya adoma me de me board ne beba me de me blackboard ne beba say ebe ya ye be ka bia no ye be twere na monsumo timi atwere me pa chaw pempensu ameduro no e teachings etimi nko ne said me preach no me pesa me to me boase fa pen no me pa chotie fa pen no fa bible no ade a ye besua nie me pa chotie ene enkranfo minianum enkranfo bebre ene se san kyerɛkyerɛ ye na mi beye munni munti ne mode osofa ye Nyankopon tienie edi nkama minka se minkyeramo fa Bible no Colossians me pa cha fa Bible no uni Bible me pa cha uni book uni Bible uni pen o phone no baby how they try I love you no draft to tienie wo phone baby how the message e kono draft to baby o metru no me pese ehia de kakra fa Bible no yan ko the book of Galatians chapter 1 the batch of fa Bible no Galatians chapter 1 yan can free the verse number 11 to 14 Galatians chapter 1 the verse number 11 to 14 Bible no me ati ase se abofompo ana se obi ba mo nchen ana ye ba mo nchen na ye de asempa foforo a ente se Yesu Kristo dia no edikanfo na Bible se ma mu ntie tele nie pawo ene asempa na firi asase we so wo wura methodist ha tespo ha en sori e wa ha nyina na sori be na wo tespo abi ko bi yeah asori be good news ana enye good news na first day me ba tespo me first day me ba tespo na me kwa evangelism chele sister bako kesepa emse bra set ire no na me kwa house to house eti me kwa no me ni chenya me asem wie no emse no mu ye program be revival chele me ka good news ye me se nyi ese eti ni edi nka ka chem so obi aba wonfa enipa ere emra afa me first week na ma test for how eti me ni cha asem wie no ana no so ka chem so osreme na minim dan adana no mde na nya Sunday na empire boda ba no mu ye program bi sa week no ana sister no so ka chem se ono ati ageme ne wotie ma asema ono so ewa de siade o mu ye program bi ono so pese o kina wone me ye dai eko ana me ka se you me ban kra matale ba ko pe na me de ba he ene jarabia ba ko ene du ana jontuntum kine ma hye eti se bi ko preacher ma mu me test for no me to brown bisa brown me shoe brown na ayese ma shama ayese ma motako tema station ya de no mu cha hia me oka mu pa me shoe na ayese de bia top brown na hye eti oka se be kwa asore no sada no so no ma nantia ma fifra te top brown no eti me ya na me kwafa white ne hye asa white ne hye wa jalabia wa ceremony no eti omu ye program e wo ho e na me koye me kobi me ti atro sa omu ye program wi wie no e na om se ani afa ni aba no me se me ka soli bia de tieni me se tieni e braso si e shimbu fri bonsam jem 2 chapter 1 verse 23 ye no mo se ma afa na mo besra mo mra good news he ye e wa na me kodi so ga ba kwa atu na me huni bia me sere no kase tuntum sa na ha no hoche minim ni din ka me boni din no no di manim wo no boyfriend e take us mo ha no so friend ka chen say mama na usa ware papa bi da wani e da wani obi be fa akwabu ekire asofo ka say ga usa ga pop so yare wo awrade wo no boyfriend take us mo ha o boyfriend ko be fa fi akwase ne do ba ha wo chimpra nyame be mo ware papa won na mo ka se Nyankopon e mabusha pani ubetime du nsanfu bia na akwaje ne ho nhira me jo me bu fufu me sikai bomu so pa be to me na so bujo me butu na so dem ano na tali ode kwa solid na ha eteta na ha straight ayebi entoma tali abi eteta na ha afro mu jami kade entoma be kata no na me jiro na chese dia be hye me bono enche be duru me so afai me jira me eduru me so na me say ma mu ko program yo manim na sorry na ani eduru me so yase me ya Nigeria ni safu ne ya wa ko krobiso I've been ma ko krobiso okabrafo I've been to Nigeria. God is speaking to me. A friend of yours will tell you should go back to your country, Nigeria. from the onset, the motive that you bring is not about maybe going to do rituals or something of that sort. But when you get there, it will be something different. So I'm advising you, don't go back to your country. Make sure you continue to be in Ghana here. And every day come, because I have some direction to do for you. Mamura, I did my body self, and I make consono. Mamuni, me come with Chabino. The Pachana who said that. Mam, what express a moon walk home for Chabio, beside Jet and a channel shasso. And I'm a shabby jalabia. Shama body session, many and then they are imaginary as I'm a color national. Me the Paco Copa, Menkada Mijari strike. For Shami color in no Shama body set, Massa Numa, Manunuma made Chiraso Kamana, me and a journey. Or Cassaria and Mamma no she. Me kind English in Pona yode. Let me say, Baba Miss Rami, Miana Jeremy. Will 2-4 say to you, pierce your panemy. Asantini pure, Nigeria come and call her. At once, no, I started Russian. Now prophesy to prominent people. Oh, Russo, I mean, you to say, Nigerian, I am a Nigerian. Nigerian. Oh, cycle, or cycle. Was shame and budget, sir. Was share Jarabiano, was share Metibia, or Jinaso, a Tomupa or your D4. Chiri, I want to be catch on says, I want you mean here. A brass set at your authority in the arena. And I'm catching some Mumusa Mami. Maybe I'll cry 1 week in my Mumusa Mami. I don't tell me I'm copas on the Mechantro. It's me in Nigeria, make us a Nigerian. I saw them all. After near your Chamaja, near Corner's person. Say, young can't jump some contrast. Say, young can't jump some million now. Now, Miss Me home money. Me tear the ever. Will be a female. Let me have sign of them and you. That's what I said. Your point, I'm sorry, Pierre. Don't sister, no, never quite a crown or ferry. Now, Mr. Swan. Me bawon che no betua de eye me de se asem nam no beka nyankopon na aka sere wonim ene nyame confess yama o ka se mi koja na manko a ko beka se papa we o be preach kire me me ka se onko ya sole de o so de makokoji onum guase yenia ena du shena yesia no esumbu sini god yesu kristo kan the book of Matthew was it way ahenia we no obekon hu ya okoto na japade nyina Abaje, Tinitinia Pao, Mammy Nisika Biadi Mobi, O Mammy Nayo Papa Nayo, Sikati Neduachi and Unia. Now, Mamma Uya, yes, you need 2-1. Sikati Beduachi 1,000 years on Chimiyoshi. One can say Ghana do for Ghana, so for say they should give you Christ, not oil, not sticker, no Bulamusu, not Kodeokosia. Chini. Bible no. Eti Bible me tell say Colossians, Galatians chapter 1. The verse me pache can free. The verse number article 8 to 14. Bible says to obedi asempa foforo. Me pache tie asempa foforo. Yesu ko say monko wiasa fa na nyina. Enko ka de asempa. Me pache ehia de kakra. Asempa foforo. Hwe obi betima begina. Was an evangelist, was a prophet, was an apostle, and can first of from home reverend, Mamudie. Oh, my baby friend, home reverend. Oh, papa, be friend, home reverend. What's up, a heavy and quack when you reverend and finish so. Maintain so be friend, home I am. I don't know, so for Odi, brother, sister, I don't know, friend, home I am. I am the Osida and Yamidi because Genesis 3:14, Yakupa Kache. Moses said, Nidindi I am. Now, Reverend Yamidio, also, when you don't crown in the crown and one day, one from home, Reverend. And I say, Musupa, and Yabana Sunday more. I say, Frida, we are Bible school with the Reverend no Tohono. Oh, Jamaica, Obo. You go already that day, none of them on some of you. Memadin Kaka say, Yamia Jumano, young school say, I'm not against Bible school. Men Casantia Bible School. Now she and Bible School may disafo. Eh, Obi Otia Biako Bible School. Besides Hefa, why Sunday we teachings? You do consider Musidi teachings. Sunday school. I am not Salamacano. But what the end what yes was a debut already. Over difference no. What the end every day continue one. Yanko Bible School may disafo. Yanko Bible School identity about your neighbor. Chelechenie, a banyanko juma a divine work. Yakasa bibi a divine. Also, John chapter 3 verse 27. Was it obin to me nye bibi? I just read. When you drive a juma na kasi because you made a video. And your carpenter jumo. And your mason juma. And your banger juma. And your mammy papa architect juma. No one controls any punch rachel. Because and some na me can according to John 6, the verse my sister 3. Eye enkwa ene honhom mesumi ye honam ana akenkan the book of Mama Papa 1 Timothy 3:16 no was say atwere nyina 2 Timothy chapter 3 the verse 16 no was say atwere nyina efitwade apanyankopon honhom tieni o was say dey honhom wa ka say fi professor me pasa me kasa chemi ni abi ena Christosuma hia se nyina ne sa Bible school no we school one pass it. What if you know be any television station? Said the more was so for. And I said that you are Bible school. I hope a big paying school fish. We are the cake team in the Cobono. And I pay a Bosia. I call J land do a casua. On therefore Casua. So sit down we are play instrument goom. And I'll compare Bosia or Bill Crusade Banco. No inviting him to fall. Ghana has said just around. Why your program invited Yom to farm as you to Mutain, Ubena on no penny John Beduach. Chenetty Pau. I'm not against Bible school. And yes, they bet me a call, I'll put Siadia. No more young Bible school may disoffer. Jenny, there be other baby make the piano. Or so for Ben or so on entertainment. Right from classroom. Maybe a teacher. Maria University of Cape Coast. Chenetty Pau. Me cry diploma. Classroom na me pay. I started free. Uko school ma Wednesday be near worship. Me school where you stop on semia. Days back JHS, SS, even university. My classmates they follow me. They testify. On my commenting. Oh, comment box na say. Over school ma Jama leader, commercial leader. Kwasi assembly bebe bia me na mo organize. Ba nya ko ponso no. Me udami nam yam no no nim de mebeye eti abandim die nyansa even school nyansa o se buku damanim na so man ko school ni third ta tieni man ko school ni third ta me ko sesam nyirachi school bia mi teachers le permission because me din ko sesama wo pa yi me de ho ne ba ma akiama ye ko ya quiz ho ne be ko ha Moko quiz am for do onima de employ. Me met so permasem because do exams am me nkata me work so. Me was school na me di free. Because wa mo me change na no ye nim boy. Eti me nim de anyame ama me di bedi. Me mama obi ahwe bi. E na wo hwa so timi pass ense me because your ade bi wo ha e application e bi objectives no e na me twa 30 abe twa 30. Na theory na we bet me copy A to Z na time so ti me na me was kumenya selfish sene nyame nim do de me baye ma nko so fi na se o se mi kosua eti da bia da metaka se ma mo kɔ ma me Yesu wo na chi no atuma we odi free so 1 John chapter 2 the verse 20 was mo de nwosra na munya ye no enti se Aaron pen so a Moses e se odi budget so bro so bi ebegu so eno kra na nya budget oyo na nya me hye Moses se onya no enya budget wo de ha wo se mebo a o kwa fa the book of Exodus Jenny Exodus chapter 18 kenkanere ingredients no anya me ma Moses e de ya yi no krobo ni your friends ehwentia na sefo wo de kwana ko kenkan kwato budget kwato so bro so se bia me ko London Jenny your friends are bright eno no no de no abiane me yedi omo pe fried oil no omo say cholesterol no level near high. Yeah, Mumusa Sabe. Oma, Omumpa Casiano, Omusobros, or Modia Granity, and the papa, a very nutritious. I found no Granity. 1 John chapter 2, the verse 20, was somebody and was sending a Munyano, anointing a fisro. Say, I need any pansam. It is up anointing now, and where an enemy semen on Kraha was a banners, posters, anointing service. Obakona Sobros on your body, see. Yes, it's your soft table. So now, what does a near work school? A batai near she a good so what Jare Papa. On plan say because about for you more drew. Uncle for so quite on the Mompa Bonko. So for the Sato so bomb parties and counting ye. You come more bad for you, you back to one. And for your cruise. What Jare Papa, what do you say? Yet the Sikajin Schlefer. Open and good boys magic. But me catch a winning Shabian and Shabia. Name of the old tears, Bible say, Jo Otia Yanko Passam, and Shadu Onipa, Otia Asamno, no dear Samia, a Bobra, and Mamma Semincho, Mia Mijamia Gongombita, Messamia day, Gongombita, the Uboni will be now Sumami. Many Shabiam will shrink and never be fear for Sanama. May I sum for me at the Uboni. It's a some now in India Sumamino. So what's ya? Yam okay, my mum some question way. Nyam coupon. Any or soft one is hello. Nyam coupon or soft one Ukraine. Nyam coupon. Any of mammy me busao. One in Yam coupon. John 1 was in Fitiasiano. Not a samno ho. Not a samno Yam coupon. A sammy. Hello. A sammy. A samson about Wardano. Assumption about Buffalo. Assumption about Woodin Common. Oh, yeah, you see, what a woman and Adam or suffer with Tinu Subedinaha. What the best at 3 minutes and no crying preaching or back or the father fed. And today I speak as a man of God. Psalm 54, the verse 17. Bible say, I could be a sort of a ring. Take a baby at the Moquatum with a mirror at the Buniform, and then make a session of Miaqua. Mamma Woodita, may say another day, make us a good song. It is shot. Passia. Well, you will be a pet 30 minutes long. What think also can kind of book of what you command Papa for Bible? No, you have to audition also. What can count Romans chapter 16, the verse 17 to 18. Yenya pos emianom mitumu fuse mon kari wana wadem papa muba na otimu sintidia enkyerɛkyerɛ pa na amosua no saa nkɔfo we ansum ye na agya Yesu Kristo na mo won yafunu wo mo no mo tetie ne wo mo no mo te nada tie word no o mo no mo te nada ene adokodokosam apa mo honfa so wate o mo no mo te nada ene adokodokosam apa mo honfa so. We read on the book of Philippians, chapter 3, the verse 18 to 19. Yeni apo say, ya wonko firu ha, mimi po minyo mwasam kada. So si okwa mika say, midi niso na eka. Sa wonko firu joma Yesu Kristo aseni ano tamfo. Wamu nyanko pon, anu omu yafunu. We are sitting on and on more general. We free fiebano, wakane irese and obey says 50 Ghana. How much I say at all? One no yet may be our beer bank account. It will not the machine be do test for her. As when you do the better issue. Ubenyanswa and the Nipa, Mr. Bebrena ya almost repa. Because one sleep ya back say, and my me with the on Panyamiasem. I press what preacher and I say, Mamma press a modern one yanko pomera. Obia baby. Obia baba. Because what trust ya, I make us were paying for. Teletini. It is what the Adokodokosam and nada. What can you to God bless you today? If you believe, shout I receive. A basa yin yanum a man. Walk with the boyfriend chapra. We better do test by near 2 pipe. A jare crowd. What better down cast I receive? What shall papa? Because of I can shash him. Oh, Martin Nebra. And the attack. And the baby now said, me quite sorry, na me sit more through, me quite sorry, na me buff for it. No, my mom, we have a boof cry. Mamma was I speaking churches. No, what I got so big up for their own chantro. a wutifo asafu preacher omuntie preacher no preacher na omuntie twi no so asafu bo obiem safu preacher no dimika no di sika koto ne nase moda munkoso anyimi also the book of 1 Peter was in Yamia Temono 4:17 was in Yamia Temo best started friend wababa na ujan wuchimi bohobiam asafu bohobiam nonsense come and chakra kasa wuchimi make comments come and choye dipo a obeta ni eja obewuo otu fo kasa no bia yedi nyankopon kasa no ne etwa sondem ne edi nyame ho fem and I saw them good enkoa. The house of salvation has now become the house for entertainment. The house of salvation has now become the house for entertainment. Why ATM? Nyamitra suanu osu. Why na sumano? And now some paka for nyatane and krabo muntimimpo. Wo popa kombeteno. Na nsabi se wani beti neti. Na kasampa wani beti edie. Etienne no crashiase ana kontompo ediade Minia yamfa sika yin frefra do wo panyame hira Luke 11:28 wase nyankopon hira no wo de ma onipa otie asam no no odi asam ya dai ebobra sa COVID-19 say his excellency na Akufo-Addo wase atimi ko asore na so mi protocol afe na nkranfo ye betwamo se komando o mache oba afori ache kode wo kosia no bebre na spy because ni ntimi nhia ayo no omo pale ya na ye ntimi nton steka no bula mu nsuo no afe ni ye betwamo COVID-19 ye chi afe ni ye betwamo mame onyansafu tieme na ni nim de no so okwasia beko eso ni nyansa sina urade we can come Proverbs chapter 22 the verse 3 was it onitifo ewu boni eba na odi ni winta na okwasia no ojejenchie de watia wo wiasa akwatan samanfo asafum Proverbs chapter 21 the verse 16 English they say he who despises from the truth and the knowledge of God will stay in the congregation of the dead. Was so baby of fulfilling the French children who send the Robert Trahin and Saman Fode as a from Tesla and Saman Fasa from Guan. Chili, Meme say, Adam in Kobe, Mamma Quaswala, move me water. Chili, Fakomano. Me come out to the city, so. And any pump chrono. And a man with him across my common water. Many a man can kill any matam. Many a man can I tell me. Many of us over for Monsorio, Mamu cried a crano, and we are planning here. Bon summer funny part of moon. I told you for certain or 10 pastors or co pastors only the dedication. And a man with him across my common water. But my make us a mention, mammy be. Me papa be a watch me. It's a sin for a Christian not to preach the gospel. Eh, mammy, and I'm in 5 years to some McNajan. The book of Timothy was also Miawani. No one sampano yakakra. Miawani. No one sampano yakakra. The part of our Bible no, it's a sin for a Christian, a believer, a born again person not to win souls. Osemeboa for our Bible no. Ezekiel chapter 3. Yanko the verse 16 to 20. Was say Odiboeni be woni bonim. Se me ma monokoko. Se wa wo ko Pentecost, wo ko Methodist, wo ko CAC, wo ko Good News, asoro mi refinidi. Chenie, se obi ti bonim, wo na tifie, wo na ti bono so, edru kwasiada, no afa Bible, wo na o manyina na mukọ, muko ti asampa ni wi a, na wa sa betena ase. Wo de wa dwe so yo Kristoni. Ma me no oti next what call room to yours no. One no kwa sorry. Ade che o de bema we beba. Ade che o de we beba. Wo sa sorry ana wudi ne ho so. Ma we de ochitu ni abaya o. Abranche we de osiwi o. Bible say, "Wa we Methodist ni no. Wa we Roman ni no. A wonim no kre. Wa fa Yesu say okra no agenkwa. A wona nte hem no. Sa wa mfa wi ni no. one fret tutu ni no na se one ka no kora na nkyerɛ ne se ade a wo ye no ɛde be kɔ osemu one fa Yesu se ne ka na agyenkwa ne bɔne ti na Yesu be wuye na so obebie de num aka 1 John 1:9 why no kɔfo no ɔtin ni so de ne bɔne be kye no wɔse se one timi anya wei na sa wi ni no sa tutu ni no sa promfo no an roba no owu a wɔse wudi obewu ni bɔne mu na ni moja de elder deacon usher kwa mamba singer erade so obebusa ni moja firi ho cheni minia ya ka se wan be ko heaven obi abepeja ni nsa. You can use your mouth to be in heaven na ebom se be ebeyo Matthew 11:12 was say flows boni John the Baptist person no omo pe heaven akono Bible say any dey eni bre so na omo ni abre kra mu nwie o was mo sa be fa ne dey eni eden so de na ni abre kra nwie cheri o de na ni abre no kra so yen dey o wie was sa be fa ne ni eden so. Now the book of Mama Papa, Romans chapter 14, the verse 17 so I can say, Nyankupa hinyo enye didie ni die onom. And now so for ba and can so for nyina. Open sorry a what test for her. When was the last time I was so for be na test for we preaching? Ahani ampo. You want to be in your comfortable zone. Na mo Bible no man kan on. The money man ko fini ama. Come and sow seed. Akronfo. Come and sow seed. Mama kase mi chon, ya kase seed nyesika. Asori bi abeko, eno, oma ya amanyumtufo nyina ahia. Ne de. Obocha ma mo bi nmobi. Kwasara no be gina tonyum ni wia. Wo wia be kane kwasya tons. I want somebody to tap into my anointing. Come and sow seed. Mo akane kwasya ton. Ne bayi kasa no. Bo se ni pe bufa so ye di sika ko sow seed. Fa Bible no. Answer e beto edition so no. Me pacho, ya kase seed nyesika. Hello. Mini asafo. Me pacho, what the Bible ni be prove me wrong. After the death of Christ, ya kase seed nyesika. Enkra asori bia be wura mu bia. Osafo preach wie. Announcement kwa ya bia sika be so seed. Akrofo wutifo. Mo nyankopon no mu yafunu. Ewiase no ma na mo dwene ho. Wo twe kwa be fa so be bia TV station. Wo twe kwa be so be ton Range Rover. Wa chekwa so be sin hotel enye okra no odwene ho ena nukwani ni ho en sama mi kan busa so busa ni Bible no ena sika for one kan so no this Satan with 10 pastors this occult pastors this malam omo na mudi musika sponsor omo medin kan ka kiro Romans chapter 1 verse 32 Bible say de woye bone ene de obuama bone ne ba so makatue ba ko osofo no akwaji aduro osofo no ye occult osofo no ye malam no etwe akradia ko osemu wo sikani a wo ko ba afode wo de ne ba TV so wo buama ba radio so no me pa cha ekaye ma so so be occult ni cheni ya ka se seed seed enye sika enenka osofo won kwa so de kra ni brofo e kan come and sow seed me pacho the first person to sow seed was Jesus Christ for Bible no also in America for here Italy for here German for here the whole world will be a tie for Bible no okwa ya your friend is a German Hamburg and the Ghana for 24 nyina ho no makogu Hamburg pastor some koso Ghana Hamburg ye and okwa bochira abochira so na ekuo abocho kwa bochira asori na won nyina ekuo omo jone se be nke so person ba Ghana na bia ho nso a ye bejeje moa e de twa ticket ama Ghana ha de ye abochira sorry ye nko ho da na se e bia ye twa ntro ekuo me twuma Judas bibi so ye nko the book of Isaiah chapter 54 the verse 10 Isaiah 54 verse 10 me pacho the first person to sow seed was Jesus Christ. Me pacho nim seed also ye. Bible so di nipedua wi. Hello. Seed that Jesus sow ye no. Bible so di nipedua wi. Eno na aso a first we ye bone anu ato odwan. Me pacho ene ho na ye bone oto odwan. We ye bone de o kai se yi agenko bia bewu. Na se mi bie ma no ka e wo gidie mu. Na mi jaya o de be che me. Jesus seed that was sow ye no. Enu na enyina enaminu mienu ya atidi no Yes, you want to know. Osafo, me pacho asoleba. Yakase seed a seed in Jessica. Enkreha, me so china ebekoso. One will be number 2 and some 10 ways of breaking through. And only a church and a Sunday. They can teach you 100 ways of breaking through, but the only one way to salvation your pastor can teach you. A crown for. They can teach you 1,000 ways of breaking through, but a single way to salvation they can't. And you call these people pastors because they are with coach, with cracker, what the car is him, or bad TV so. And I have Ghana, when is the car you move? Chenye, Mosuno must suffer and Moniano. Moso and must suffer and Moniano. Metuma Gina Sibi so. Yakase seed any sika. Me pacho, yes, you want to know. Obisi brother, seed ban yes, so. For Bible no. Yanko Isaiah chapter 66. The verse 20 to 22. Me pacho, we are Baba Yadishan so. Isaiah chapter 66. The verse 20 to 22. And can follow more people from a main camera. Or say, go out to the world, preach to the brethren who are lost, those on horse, those on chariot, those in your communities, those around you. 21 was say, and bring them into my house, and I, the Lord, will use them as priests. 22 was say, on the judgment day, I, the Lord, will remember your seed and reward you. Me pacho, King James, S-E-E-D, underline the seed. Me pacho, underline the seed. Yakase seed. Me pacho, nyami wonpo siko. Ah. Hello. Yang had you do. Hello. Handkerchief media. Tieni. Desta we media. Ena minia baya. Waton enoma word. Tieni pa waton enoma word. Tieni. Wada na ka bi betwa mu ha. Na pia wata bi da ho. Ena kan no tan no fa so. Ena pia wata ne bogu no ho. Ena minia baya ka se memfa me handkerchief yi. Memfa no. Ena me de me handkerchief ne ma no. O pepa nsuo no wie no. Ena o sa de me handkerchief ne ma me. Me kwahia me busa me mame amudi ga se. Me nua ba wa chem bibi. Hello, wa chem bibi. Adai, handkerchief e me dia. Wo kwa hu kirem. Wo kwa hu yehiam. Ena me de adai. Me de ma no. Eti so you so wie. No o sa de mame a on che me hwe. Ana me bo. Okay, any family addition no so. On say me say, yes, you want to know. See that you miss your son. And yes, Sika, Adentra, Heka chapter 2, verse 8. Eradin Yankupon. Oto Trobonsu. Atanya Numono. Alpha and Omega no. Yashua Mashak no. Jehovah El Shaddai. Elohim no. Heka chapter 2, verse 8 no. Was it Sikani Gete? Hello. Was it Sikani Gete? It is a na me baton Roma, na me nya 2 cedi, na diache, na me kwa sondem, na me koyi 2 cedi na, me nchanya me bibia o. Me de desta way, emma me nua bay. Wa pepa wi a wode ma me. Ma mu wo dwom nyina edi madanse se, me nua bay ncha me hwe because e media. Me nua sofutie, nyansa na ekasa no. Tie na wonim dia no so. Yesu wo na chi no. See that was here so no enye sika. Eti Isaiah chapter 66, the verse na mama me papa 20 to 22 no. Was we should go out to the world. We should preach to the brethren who are lost, those on horse, those on chariot, those in your communities. We should bring them into his house. 21 no. Was it and I the Lord will use them as priests or Levites. 22 no. Was it in the new heaven or new earth? Your seed, your word no. Your seed, S-E-E-D, shall remain before me, and I will reward you. Etiakase sida, Mami awucheme, Pentecost ya awucheme, Methodist ya awucheme, Roman ya awucheme, Ochina Christo ya aduma, me pese u so seed nyesika, abranche na otomo mantamo no, a won kwa asore no, aketesia no, papa da wonim nyame no, kone nchen, fanyame asema no, Yesu Kristo sesa musu abana, muma abane eden, entra ho, eto de nyame asema no wi a, enya no ho, baabi a wo kwa asore no, fadete wachi, obema excuse, ma minim paboa, mini atade, sikana de besha envelope, ede akoto osofo na ase no, sikana de besha envelope, ede akoto popes no, fato tare no ma no, fato paboa no ma no, edu kwasiada, obema excuse, mini sika me to duane, aduane na ubedie no maame papa tiene pa o aduane na ubedie no maame wo de koto onu kwa special basket serve no hwe sanka Ghana for any Christopher and the importance of sowing seed brother sanka mu the importance of so and ya da sika ete obi tie me baga bi tie me sika ni bi tie me na adwen say okoyi 1000 Ghana okoyi billions no e ko to puppet no so no e to asof na so so si nimti a me nimti Hosea 4:6 tini everybody wo du sika ya den was a sika ni keta ne dia dem mutie that's before committee for the most expensive thing on this earth that money cannot buy any already same fan so seed it's a so hello it's already ba no busa say what so seed I can say yes because last week we 1,000 Ghana we be put one my baby akokoda no seed is no money you say so for baby etie me come and prove me wrong akronfo and then you could obium because can you crack combedo chichu enkra eni papa so be janta tano eni papa because your papa you dinachi ofin trom o can John 8:44 was say atro nyina eja no wan te me ba no me twam tra that's before edwadifo nyina be pa ma asem na so ma me jana se me be ka ne be o de o so ma me Galatians chapter 1 verse 10 yenu apostle nyame na me pese me twitwi nipa ma no ana se me pese me twitwi nipa ba me nchen se me ya nyame akoi me da so me so nipa ni de na me ye dey me nya nyame akoa I'm not here to praise you wo woni nkwa no mama me ana wo so ma me men sama me kan nya de nipa akuchire osu tie me asase di madanhye sa sambia Elohim e dey asema no no memfa ba ku bi ensiem obi tie me ni bu ofu o choko o se di matam e we kra ya osafo me nya osafo mi ya gongon bita me timi so nya osafo because me ma club we data enu na Ghana fo bebre anim sunsunso no difference no osafo different from osempakani different from churchfo different from my papa what you call apostle different from prophet and am can nyina bo me na club we data can Revelation the book of Revelation chapter 4 verse 8 lion calf lion calf man flying eagle atiase 4 by 9 no enu na yenu Paul Ephesians Ephesians chapter 4 verse 11 said the 5-4 ministry 4 evangelist and apostle omunyina crab wa baako jata lion teacher na crab wa man osofo crab wa nantwie ba etu wa no osofo totomi abeka sakwa we de onya osofo menya osofo nso ampa meme de se memo wurawura na me kwachi wansan ne mra me kwachi ya fa se kusie ne mra me de ba eho adwuma nyam na me eno na na evangelist we na atete asore adawura de beba no butu rough because an obi am kabre we want to be in a comfortable zone me ka se me ti asore aga na ha osofo bie no so benya church members asra me because baby am ko bia even outside Ghana people want to come to my church outside Ghana and so enka ho me ti asore am aferi chiri nyame adwuma no wo flower akwese ma mutako ma moya farmers no kua also wo dofu a wutimi duru baby na e champon kwa no wutimi duru baby jeso bunua ana meboa wutimi duru baby make push sa ye first adanko ayi no eno kwa wutimi no sakwere bia osofo no na kosi adanko meko eso wono bia wo evangelist no wode kosi edua se de fakumare debu menta be kasa mini asofo no ono se de na wo to collection ma no na wadaka mu wo ba TV so wo chata wo feri tetin kudiasini de bia mi jira wiam se ya menye wiam a mi rora fie metimi rora fie bi mi apam me Open Sana Master. Because I say fear be with a man about Jono. Oka fan Shramano. I am my German sir. Yanku Pobe Fisto about a minimum and no Becassa. Can First Corinthians, Mammy Papa, 1 Corinthians chapter 1, 26 to 27. Was it we are if you put him was Siadiano? And no mere is a nanny upon a rear. Methodist and Yansa Fonenu, who was a right Reverend Archbishop, who would the TV Jimmy. Come for a miracle, testimony galore, terrors of breaking through. Who was an Ukrainian and say, who Chile? Who won who one share their two Israel from their two Francis for the Bible. Also Francis for no much Isaiah chapter 9 verse 6. Unto us a child is born, unto us a son is given. His government shall rest upon his shoulders, and his name shall be called Wonderful Counselor, Almighty God, Everlasting Father, Prince of Peace. Omujidi. Omu say prophecy no. Enipa na ye obeba no enipa teaching. Eti say Yesu beba sasu Yesu a. Onko fi Herod ye bushim. Onko fi Pilato bushim. Amani ba mo so no. That by then Mary was in her teenage. Muche. Mary no. Awonyanya menmu adom no. She was in her teenage. Joseph a poor carpenter. Yes, I'm coming and gamboom. Look at the prophecy about the Messiah. Now there be a coffee by. And then Isaiah chapter 55, the verse 8, and Radibaka Church said, Wowa King, and then I drink, Wowa Pine, and somebody said, right Reverend Archbishop, on family tap because the base Cassam. Thierry, Francis Fono, no money, sir, Messiah, no, and Kaoko Herod, a bushman. Pilato, and we don't imagine not to. Because prophecy say, unto us a child is born, unto us a son is given, his government shall rest upon his shoulders, and his name shall be called Wonderful Counselor, Almighty God, Everlasting Father, Prince of Peace. Then this prophecy, every Jew believe in it. Pharisee foreign tragedy, Israel foreign tragedy, because they know Isaiah to be a great prophet of Elohim. It no more expect to say yes or no. And Coco Fits are at this year, as I see so this year, a bushing. A money bomb also, a manisa. Senator Nepal, or money bomb also, a manisa. Out to now, Jumono, Messiah, or Muni. Sana and a man of Juma. He has to so die and a capacity. As some dollars as a summoner, would there intentions of war? A brempong at the floor, no one yet said it and Passia Fui. Sana and your mate and idea. And talking John chapter 3 verse 34. Was a reduce to so home and son wedding where they are moving. What chairman anyway? And we are Sanyamiso Robert Uncle who Christian Council. Nyamiso Robert Juma. While Soya was a board member, so executive members. Only who Senator Paul. What the answer Romans chapter 12 verse 1. What do you need piano? Every source of forever at yes. Now on Kokunaba found to me. You don't need approval of man to do the work of God. It's a work of God, not the work of man. And now I can. I saw for the brain teacher. And now pass on the man. Yes, civil boys, youth, because you are chapter 2 verse 28. Was saying there, dear channel. Me and Coupon, me share me home, madam. Alcohol, no, also. Or something in prophecy. Now, so, or back at you say, this or no, they knew. I said, what man in Coupon, or suffer to free. Why no, they need me? One a day, budgets are not so good, so. Or suffer by, now me cry, sorry, cry me, Kobe. Yeah, I saw cry me, Kobe. Because they tell me, sorry, no, maybe true. Yes, you kiss one, but we say, I'm sorry, you. Yes, you know, we say, what the now, sorry. Let me tell you. Maybe a Sabacono or a business center. Happy. Jesus did not come and die that we should go to church. Jesus came to die that you and me will be in his church. I don't know how can I solve for both because we good done. I come for. Tell you. And you Papa, we can count Galatians chapter 1, 18 to 14 now. What's it? Say young pope. And I say, above 4 frisro. At the Asampa Fufro. Mammy, and the Ghana honey we are suffering. Tetia Tempono, ya Punche. And the Ania Cretia Tempo. ɛne ɛnam so ɛne asɛmpa no a Yesu hyɛ yɛn enipa nsi nyame na afɛ no wɔyɛ nyame akoa ɛna John chapter 3 the verse 34 no Bible say de Nyankopɔn asoma no wɔyɛ dɛ wɔka nyame asɛm ɔno nso bɛgyina radio so no wɔso wɔn deɛ wɔyɛ sunsun numa waa maame papa tie nyansa we oh Yesu sɛ dua na ba na mu de bɛwu dua korɔ ɔno sɔfo ne ba radio so no wɔso ne deɛ wɔyɛ sunsun dwuma hello me patcho there is difference between sunsun and honhom the moment a ɔsɔfo bɛgyina radio so ɔbɛbɛ TV so COVID-19 yɛkyi mesi akɔma de ɔmakyɛw ɛnkrafo mesi COVID-19 yɛkyi ɛdifo na akɔma de ɔmakyɛ asɔfofoɔ no wɔama ɔmunyam ne ɔmunyankopɔn ɔmunyafo ne ɔmunyankopɔn no ɛkɔma de ɔmakyɛ tiɛne yɛ pawo ɛti this is the time mama me papa yɛbɛbu mu afa so na twuma de de si bibi so saa bere wei ɛni yɛbɛbu mu afa so nyame amfrɛ yɛ sɛ yɛnkɔ asɔre tiɛne nyame amfrɛ yɛ sɛ yɛnkɔ asɔre nyame frɛ yɛ sɛ wɔde yɛn ɛyɛ na safo me patcho tiɛne ɛna asɛmpa na Yesu de ma yɛ no wobɛbi o radio wobɛbi o TV asɛmpa na fi Ghana ha asɛmpa na fi asase wei so kakra bi na ɛka so a yɛntie wɔn kakra bi no a ɛka asɛmpa no Ghana fo ntie wɔn because wɔn ɔba yɛ no sɛde Ghana fo ho amasɔfofoɔ no ɔmo ho ne saa ɛna Ghana fo pɛ sɛ ɔmo kyɛ the standard of being a pastor ɛnyɛ ɔna afro mi o ɛkyɛ na mo kɔ Bible school bi a yɛsi code of ethics o sɛsɛ ethics ɛnyɛ nipa na ɛbɛkyerɛ me kwan a minya nyame adwuma the moment nipa bɛkyerɛ me kwan a minya nyame adwuma no meyɛ nipa adwuma because yɛn adwuma a meyɛ nipa ɔkyerɛ me kwan ɛyɛ Romans 8:14 wɔsi those who are led by the Spirit of God they are what the sentiment mɛba test for her ɛnyɛ obi na ɛbɛkɔmande me honhom na ɛbɛkyerɛ me sɛ memra mɛkɔ Nigeria ɛnyɛ obi na ɛde mɛkɔ Kumasi a ɛnyɛ obi na ɛbɛkyerɛ me mɛgyina wiem a ɛnyɛ ɔna bɛka kyɛm sɛ mɛgyina wiem tiɛnie etiano no asɛmpa no ɛni hɔ biem Yesu kɔ no wɔsi yɛn nkɔ ne yɛn kɔka deɛ asɛmpa ɛna deɛ na ɛkɔ so no yɛde asɛmpa na to nkyɛn obi busa sɛ broda ɛdeɛ ne asɛmpa mɛpatcho tiɛnie Bible say so obi ba wɔn nkyɛn test ha committee 18 ha tiɛnie so obi ba wɔn nkyɛn na wɔn kura Yesu Kristo asɛmpa na Bible say ma mo nyono ɛnkyia kura ma mo nkyia no wo a wo bɛgye no ana wo a wo bɛkyia no wo bɛyɛ ne bɔne fafafo hu bi ɛna mi busa sɛ ɛdeɛ ne asɛmpa mini asɔfo a wotie me mini asɔfo a wotie me yɛka sɛ asɛmpa ne nio ɛna Ghana ha wo bi radio na ɔnte asɛmpa few people nso a mo ka no wɔn na support to ɔmo ma ba radio so because asase we no we can Job 9:24 na ɛhyɛ bonsam nsa so you do the will of the devil he gives you your needs eti dede akosi kɛseɛ no ɛyɛ this certain ordained pastors on any opportunity about radio so on any opportunity every TV station on any opportunity SCC Sunday Ghana no respect for elders has now become respect for money. Last week go preach your committee 18 run about Yakwawe your friend say oh Akwawe committee 18 oh David empire me say me no be can say word on your bofo me panidina Oroku Offenso boy Soloku boy me tell the baby and preaching Satam no me na for be the camera digital camera from America bremi obi so dey your friend say Apple ayibi iPad ibi because me no Samsung Samsung ba so from and say S2 and am dey me message send any ade test for her social media me na social media preacher me social media preacher media ni say me come crash me go villages house to house me rakam me Bedina street media no 31st watch night man motor car no 2018 park we aso eti boys ni ye training me na make me betwam abeto de o store bi wa ha ti mi twam ani ameti ane se o kina Kristo ya adoma ye ko initiate ni pa bebre because here bia no this Satan ordained pastors this occult pastor o mu renew o ma bo ade eti ye wo oil bi ye wo sticker bi ye wo nsuo bi a ye de wo mu asonda mu o wo ba ko kurase aya wo ko yie o ma me sebra o kwa wo mabim eti obi a wu se asafo ani pe wu eti da bia no asonda mu new faces eti mi twa no me hyesen na eti mi obi a me ta person ya shepa because me ya dwumaden me test for ha no obi enu anka ha ma betre ha poli 2 years when I see me be preach Jesus kada empare me ko preach ba e be ya dwuma say toilet ya mu yusu test for toilet mu ko bu sasat ma ho kese me ko na mutuye jeri because man to ma ho na me yesika fa ka ko preach mu ko bu sasat do ati toilet no so no me sole o mache ba te na me shamra nu me tu ya de enche no 6 o'clock me ko badwuma ma penso bia wo me ho na ma tie sikam I drive for Waterma station up to now omo hwe me kira kwan when I say me come da my preachers about for here because me catch them o say nyame wona wa soma me me soma me ba me na me maniska say nyame na soma me nyame na say dey o provide and 1 Timothy chapter 6 verse 5 what's no kura no about 1 hour osusu say nyame sompa ya adepede English say there's no truth in those pastors, those evangelists, those Christians who think being a Christian, being a man of God is to gain what? There's no truth in them. Because Bejina Bontian, I do in Sikesika. Chini, me say, public toilet na mokosono. Mumusa set, say maho no, 1 or 2 years. I did the public at 10 about me 1 or 2 years. Jimmy Soleil Machia, there's a train. Me kios wa ha sisi me kios wa ha tie me omo penny no solo me buy on the man sa kios no to mention bibiensem ona na me da so me fa ho me sole me ho tem me chebo what die your the king size of crowd to be unfa ho to me what I say me uni say nyame na asoma me a ono na eso ede o provide my family want to the paso. But me yet to mana, area had be play, contract work be play. It would form a view of a woman piano, while quite near Sama crop a friend. Yamia Daruma and Shankanyame, me better test for her, the piano to my. Bebre na kios bebre na me na me chian animal. Answer her, park reso. Me ya. I'm on for truck now. Peter, any train woman. Now my pepine, as so. It's an adjunct mother than the bottom. It is all catch and Sabia, or suffer me here near me secures baby. When I'm a chain, your mom. I dare tell me chain, tell me for Emma McQuine. Eti, or my bobo was soon as a sonaya, you know. Now, and I do say 12 no. Now, my sorry. It's me shara to me shabo. It's more mother than no. Now, me what me 12 as an insano. Also, Nino. Anyana benino me boaboa no ma mutwam na mu hume me boaboa no sa na me boaboa no me wi anam de botto eti se me si nipa bebre wa test boa mu so mo se kios no mo dem no ho na twe anyam mo eyemu eto wi anu otua me kai na de a chia me de ba fro ka preach ho na test boa wa se me preaching jimiska me wi ya na me ko megaphone na me use e preaching wi ya na me ko Ebua, say be anfa my yajuma, menya be say 50 Ghana she me botoma. Sa time no, we dey free air Waterma station. Tele power. We dey free air Waterma station no muji 18 no mama me 20 pesos. It is sikana menya no, mitimi check say sa 50 Ghana we. Because me sa wo yere wo ma. Tele power me wo yere esa wo ba. Sa time ere ne me menya wo ha. Eti my yajuma, e bia ka se me ntwe anwama wa. E bia me mam be 70 Ghana. 70 Ghana me check here. 20 Ghana or Chametim de Ayala Fair. Now, friends say, 30 Ghana, the mammy, as on one for being told the animal cranny, me quaba. Men, you know, come and cast about for an Americano, preaching the crayon, so men I can't do. last woman be catching some asafo we don't transfer ni and back yen to correction me hwan anim sam so ya me bon sam tieni sanyame na asoma wa obe provide and now so fu aba ye free ni adenam yam pebre Christopher so aba mo sori a 24/7 on ko pejo bi adwuma bi ya no what are Sunday Monday to Sunday which are wrong who we are sabe kasa Ghana yeden yan kanu kwan nchira mo what are Sunday I receive catch us suffer contemporary within chene ye bawo catch us how suffer no or suffer kronfo no mon kasa nchira na mame asa my church members ni adwuma Monday to Sunday mu Sunday mo adai mo kwa na muni munyame Christianity is a lifestyle Christos my abrabo ene bebe na ni say edu kwasiara me fa me Bible me show me code akwa Sunday no ena me som nyame wo jare na mo Jesus Christ onim Christians so hello Jesus don't know Christians now the name Christian munya friend can Acts chapter 11 verse 26 Antioch if you are a funny man side you know yes kiso na chiri for omo nam no omo kasaye omo ntari shem omo brabo omo su omo ban fasi for na atwere for hwe omo sam enkofu we die omo ne ye omo su ban ese Messiah no etu kenkan Hebrew language na enye Christians so messianic constant and person me Christian e didn't hear Christians and I used to know any Christian we are jidini et yes you want to know and Antioch Acts 11:26 e we as a follow and they said because no Musuman is Messiah no et the followers of the Messiah are called messianics etika ye deeper as ye dey also I am messianics not Christians Messiah teneteni Christos sumi abrabo etina Philippians 1:27 wase mo mama brabo no emfata dey Christo asempa no etiedu ochena no ukwa Sunday mo ha je ukotie no ukotie na wopie na de bere abebo bra Christianity is a lifestyle ayonku eda wuni antem wo bro no anwoto so awariam suban woda na di adwuma mu ho suban woda na di marketer eno ni Christosom wachina obi kwa Sunday wa address Muya praises and worship na mo sano eno obi betia ne na so otia ne pabo anu so no ana nipa ne na age se opepa ma no wonim na age ye ne se onyankopon ni te be nipa ne oh brother no don't do that no oh it's okay the same person wa pon ko fa tro ko fie ana mo ya so mo fro ka no ma me pani wan shadampo ana ne netia no hwa wa fu aburo wa bebo no because na age se wa pon also Sunday mo obi tia no on your no bro it's okay don't do that oh it's okay but what point no obi tia no na so de obebo no because na age say wasum nyame awie mama nka se me test before where there's air there's God now the murafi Acts chapter 7 verse 48 already so until edan nipa di ninsasim Methodist nyame wonte Roman CSC Good News Pentecost baby otina mo be kono nyankopon wonte ho ada otia mu se mawie ana nyame fi baby ane e fa okonkrom bia wo fri ho ehe na nyamete wo tinipam ti Yesu be kono se baby abanu ana baasa ebe sham de na me yeren eti one de Methodist one de nyame ko eyewo atene fam wo Methodist atene fam wo Roman atene fam wo SDA mo na mo de nyame yeren akọ eti ara mi hwe TV mi tie radio so catch say come and put something on the puppet now beko na mo de sa calendar no sa papa no onu ye Yesu movie no wonum church mo bi num bi na we picture about them ko bompa ya no akwakoto calendar na ebo na ha na catch Yesu o picture wasase we so wo pe Yesu picture ene o tin ni tieni Yesu picture e ba akopɛ obi obotin ni bra ni mu na be hu Yesu eti ewi asefo no ehu Yesu ewo na chidi fom ewo Acts chapter 11 verse 26 tino mo ka say these people are followers of the Messiah, Christians. It will pay you to picture Yehuno or Tininim. It is time for Nina, a Bobo Damohono, a Boba Son Damohono, Sa statues na Mayano, a Bosomsom. Yoskiso catches a mirror Nibano, our John chapter 4, verse 23, was here a brand new, a tornado, as a no quite sorry for no, as a sorry a channel, our home, any day, no cream. And Obiso of quite chamantins, Mamma quite chamantins, Sa a cross Venus one. So no man away and chamantins, Yami be prepamo, Bebrenaja, and a Ghana, Titu, a deal for war and car. Why I was a quite chamantins. I open baby and your baby, baby and your fin, baby and your demonic power at chamantins. Mamma, in our era, Yami need special place biao. And connected, and a more copy for Sakusiano. Or more quiet, yes, Christo. I can John 4:23. Dear, where there's air, there is God. Yes, you want to know. In your room, there is God. In your bathroom, there is God. At the marketplace, there is God. But first, no special place be already. Eti, mommy, papa, if you need the power of God, or so for which me, or do for which me, open your me to me, and your chamantins, and your Bible, and your prayer and fasting. And your sanctification, righteousness, and holiness. And quatra chamantins, and quatra come, and quafat pay your own maha. To get the power of God, it takes righteousness. Jania, may two more dinner see so. And go at Chimota Forest. And Quadasa, may Quatanya Mianmaji to me, what shall papa? Who bring on one the old Quatrai at Chimota Forest? Huh? Who shall go who in Kupombo? Or no Babaka so one dear? Me pacho, I somehow make a Sabia Mubajadino. Yenya Malifono Mutunto Nuno. Hello? Was obviously your default. Well, who wants a macacho? Yenya Malifono Mutunto Nuno. Oba Ufia, what a panacho. Pebes and one city mano. Catch us on to Hintasam Joe. So, is your default. Mom Penya Mias and Munsiadia. Masumuya Mohine. Mosunuma so far, Moniano. Chini. Are you brand new? Metro 13 verse 9. What's the house in your Onche, I will be come. What is me preaching on whom me and the Bufu? Who brought from me found by one young coupon and on count. Yes, Kiso can say me. John chapter 10, the verse from 26 to 27. Was he me the minion? Naminian Sierra, enemy. Make a son minion 10 minutes, no more day. Whom won't count. Mamma has been drum. And you'll be on a Benard and come. Working kind the book of Mamma Papa for Bible. 1 Peter 2, the verse 25. Bible say and confuse her. A boa class one fast was normal. Yankopon shed that bomb say, or Boniface won't sell. Your nipper do her was sending Mammy and crown when young. It is only now confess any panada and four. Me mouth. Hey, I saw for some kid, Shanta for me, Jacob need a song. Or Munyam with that 12 control, you're missing me per we ask him, and also. And then Uncle Pony, and I also hear you. Or manning I saw the door come also. That's your uncle. What patch a chamber years now, or Becana Johnny? Sandy Pano, what a generous situation, young fast son, or Coco near to. It is Sandy Pan that is all come no crana. Mamma.